I have a 2012 Chevy Cruise that's making a twerking sound. Once again, it's a 2012 Chevy Cruise 4-cylinder that's making that twerking sound. I don't know what it is. I was thinking it was this valve cover because I know these things have to be changed out on these cars, but this just got changed out about 4 months ago. And when I take this off, they say when this thing is going bad, that air will be blowing out of this. There's no air coming out of this. So I don't think this is bad at all. I'm not sure what that sound is. If anybody knows what that sound is, let me know. If you know anything about a 2012 Chevy Cruise 4-cylinder, what that sound could be, let me know. I'm thinking it may be the water pump, but I'm not sure. I'm not a mechanic. So you know, I appreciate you letting me know. If anybody got any ideas, like I said, it's a 2012 Chevy Cruise.